All right, guys, got another challenge here from Daz, and I'm desperate to keep these guys out of my naughty bucket, which, while not overflowing, it's getting pretty close. This is the C-series multi-lock. I have picked these before. Some of them can be quite a battle. Other ones are not too bad. This one probably going to fall somewhere in the middle. We have some pretty good bitting. As you can see in the front, all low cuts, hiding high cuts back there. So pretty nasty stuff. The other battle with these is that there's a shutter on there, but it really doesn't come into play. Anyway, works perfectly. You can see it rotates, 45 degrees, and we get it open. I should be able to take this guy apart. I've done it before. It's always a disaster, but hey, something to look forward to, right? All right. As I said, the shutter really doesn't come into play here. And here's what we'll do. Let's take the small end. I'm just going to pry that. Oh, I got lucky. So we're going to hold it like that. If you get a tensioner, the right thickness, and you put them in there, as soon as you apply tension, it pushes it out of the way enough to give you access to the pins. And there they are on the left side. The warding in this it's okay. It's not too bad. Hopefully we won't need a curved pick. I can probably, let me grab number 5 here. I've usually been able to pick it with just these guys, although given the bitting on this, it's a guess. All right, so let's see if we can get in here. Apply moderate tension and just slide them down the left side. I'm going to use the wall to guide the pick to keep them kind of straight. And everything's springy. There's one. Pin 3. Nice click. Come on. I'm back on 3. I must not have clicked him far enough. He's the only binder. Okay, I got an extra click on 3. Okay, now I'm on pin 2. Nice click. I'm on the outer pins. I want to pick the outer pins first on these guys. Okay, we're on pin 3 again. He must have fallen back down. That's pin 5. Nice click. Pin 2, back down. And I got a false set now. And the pin is stuck, or the pick is stuck. I'm hoping I'm on an inner pin. We do have a little bit of a false set. I don't think that's deep enough to be hung up on one of those inner pins. Usually it's pretty extreme. So let's take a look. I'm looking for any kind of feedback. These do have security pins in them sometimes. And when you're picking in this direction, because you're turning your pick like that, it actually, if you push real hard, like I was just doing, it can seem like counter rotation, but in fact, it's just you pushing against the pin. There we go, pin 2. That is definitely some counter rotation. Come on. Come on. Got the tiniest click out of that. I'll take it. Counter rotation on 4. Nice click. I got very light tension because those inner pin springs are pretty weak. Pin 1 again. Come on. I think we got it. I don't have a deeper fault set. Okay, I've got nothing. So I have reason to believe that maybe the straight pick's not reaching up for the inner pins, which might be cut higher than the outer pin. The only way you can do that is, or the only way you can set them is with a curved pick. So I'm going to grab number 3, and you can see it's just a little bit of curve, but I filed it down, so hopefully it'll be able to reach up inside of that inner pin. So let's give that a shot. Okay, that was pin 2. I think that's still pin 2. Trying to determine if that's counter rotation or me just twisting the core. Let's keep looking before I can. Okay, there's pin 3. He's on the bottom, so he fell down. Nice click. That was 4. Come out, come out. That appears to be counter rotation on 3 on the inner pin. I'm going to set him. Just take a chance here. Okay, got a nice click and no more counter rotation. Let's call it good. There it is on pin 4, inner pin. Click. 3. Back down. Nice click. Pin 2's back down. And, ooh, very deep fault set. All right, let's take a look at this. This is what it should look like. Move that out of the way there. Let me find something to pry that with. Give me that probe. So you can see when you're on the inner pins, the fault set will be quite significant. See how much that's turned? Okay, for sure, we're hung up on an inner pin, and because I've already, what I believe, picked several of them, it might just be one. Okay, he says. Oh, wait a minute. Let's get rid of that. I grabbed the wrong one. Here's the curved pick. I was trying with a straight pick. I was wondering why I wasn't feeling anything. Okay, that was pin 1. Very slight click. Oh, there's pin 2. Very slight click, but still no open. That was inner pin 4. Again, no open. Counter rotation on 5, and there we go. That's quite a battle, I got to tell you. Sometimes these fight like heck, and this was a pretty good fight. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Dash, thanks for sending the lock. By the way, if you want this lock, leave a comment, and my webmaster will randomly pick a comment after a couple days, and I'll send it out to you to get it out of the shop. It is not living in the naughty bucket rent-free. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal.